Fight.
What's up guys, this is Aironn of OFALDA of STEM 12 Job and welcome to my first ever vlog. For today's vlog, I will show you the different parts of the plant cell. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos. First, what is plant cell?
Plant cells. Trees, flowers, vegetables, or fruit are made up of plant cells. These are in charge of the growth cycle. More specifically, vegetables make their own food through photosynthesis. A plant cell is a eukaryotic cell. The nucleus is in charge of all cell functions. DNA is stored in the nucleus. DNA is made up by genes, which hold genetic information. When plants reproduce, the genetic material will pass on to the new plant. For this reason, new plants will have the same characteristics. The membrane is a layer that surrounds and protects the cell from the outside environment. The main function of the membrane is to allow food in and release waste substances. Membranes have rigid wall cells which hold up the plant. The cytoplasm is a thick solution found inside the membrane. Organelles are located in the cytoplasm. Chloroplasts are the organelles which produce and store chemical components essential to the cell. For example, chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color, is stored in the chloroplasts. Chlorophyll also plays an important role in photosynthesis. A mitochondrion is the organelle in charge of producing the energy in the cell.
Plant cells are similar to animal cells in being eukaryotic and they have similar in cell organelles. Generally, plant cells are larger than animal cells and are mostly similar in size and rectangular or cube shape. Plant cell contains few distinctive features like cell wall, large vacuole, and plastids. This is my model. Sorry for my cell because I don't have enough budget to buy my materials, but I did my best to make my own cell. So, let's start with its parts. First, we have the cell membrane. So, what is cell membrane? All cells are covered by cell membrane. It supports and protects the cell. It also controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. So, this is the cell membrane. It is just made up of cartoon old boxes. Cell wall is seen only in plant cell. The function of the cell wall is to support, protect, and allow diffusion of gases in and out of the cell. This is the cell wall, the outer part of the cell, and I also use old box to form my cell wall. Nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in the eukaryotic cells. The vital function of the nucleus is to store DNA or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. My nucleus, I also use old box and I painted it red just to impress that this is a nucleus. Central vacuole occupies around 30% of the cell's volume in mature plant cells. The vital function of the central vacuole apart from storage is to sustain grid pressure against the cell wall. I painted color blue to show you the central vacuole. Key apparatus are found in all eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. This is the Golgi apparatus made of half-coated box and painted in color orange. Ribosomes are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise RNA and protein. They are the size for protein synthesis, hence also referred to as the protein factories of the cell. This is the ribosomes. It is made up of tiny ligos. Mitochondria are the double membrane organelles found in cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down carbohydrate and sugar molecules. Hence, they are also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. is the mitochondria. I just painted pinkish red. Lysosomes are called suicidal bugs as they hold digestive enzymes in an enclosed membrane. They perform the function of cellular waste disposal by digesting worn-out organelles, food particles, and foreign bodies in the cell. This is a lysosome, a shape like coin. Chromoplasts are heterogeneous, colored plastic which is responsible for pigment synthesis and for storage in photosynthetic eukaryotic organisms. Chromoplasts have red, orange, and yellow colored pigments which provide color to all ripe fruits and flowers. Its shape is look like a mitochondria but different color. I just made it color green. Its main functions are the synthesis of lipids, steroid hormones, detoxification of harmful metabolic products, and the storage of metabolism of calcium ions within the cell. Here is my soft endoplasmic reticulum. It is made up of yarn. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, series of connected flattened sacs, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells that plays a central role in the synthesis of proteins. Then here is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is also made of yarn, but I added a stick glue to present that this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So that's it. That's the plant cell, everyone. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!